Hello, this is a tutorial on how to use the Immersive Reader in Microsoft Office 365. The Immersive Reader function is available in both the Word and OneNote applications. In order to have your text read to you, open up your document in one of those two applications. Once you have that document open, go up to the menu bar and click on View. Below this, you will find the Immersive Reader. Click on that. Once the Immersive Reader is opened, you can have your text read back to you by scrolling down to the bottom and clicking on Play.
Hello, Access students. We appreciate that the past 2 weeks have been challenging for everyone, and we hope to help ease the transition to online education.
You can increase or decrease the voice speed by dragging the ruler bar to the left or to the right. You can also change the voice selection from female to male. There's an option to change this text size by increasing or decreasing it, as well as increasing the spacing between your text. You can change the font as well as the color behind the text. There's an option to highlight parts of speech, your nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs by clicking on the on-off switch. If you'd like, you can narrow down the focus to 5, 3, or 1 line. You can use the picture dictionary function by clicking on a word, and the image of that word will be displayed right below. In order to exit the Immersive Reader and return to your document, go to the top left corner and click on Exit. You can now return to editing your document.